Hello fellow travelers, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on an epic journey to a land of ancient wonders, futuristic cities, and breathtaking natural beauty. That's right, we're counting down the 15 best places to visit in the vast and incredible country of China. So, pack your bags, and let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 15 is Hangzhou. Famous for its serene West Lake, this city is like stepping into a classical Chinese painting. You can stroll along causeways, visit ancient temples, and enjoy a boat ride on the tranquil waters. It's the perfect romantic getaway and a paradise for photographers. Next up, at number 14, we have the magnificent Liaishan Giant Buddha in Sichuan province. Carved into the side of a cliff, this 71-metardal stone statue is the largest of its kind in the world. Its sheer scale is awe-inspiring, and the story behind its creation to calm the turbulent rivers is just as compelling. Cruising in at number 13 is the Yangtze River. The best way to experience its grandeur is by taking a multi-day cruise. You'll sail through the stunning Three Gorges, witness dramatic cliffs, and see ancient villages perched along the banks. It's a relaxing yet spectacular way to see a different side of China. At number 12, we find ourselves in the Venice of the East. Suzhou. This city is famous for its intricate classical gardens, like the humble administrator's garden, and its charming network of canals. Ticking, a traditional gondola ride through its waterways feels like traveling back in time. For our number 11 spot, get ready for some cuteness overload at the Chengdu Research Base of giant panda breeding. This isn't just a zoo, it's a world-renowned conservation center. You can watch adorable giant pandas, and even red pandas, munching on bamboo and playing in a habitat that mimics their natural environment. It's an unforgettable experience for any animal lover. Coming in at number 10 are the Yellow Mountains, or Huangshan. These mountains are legendary in China for their granite peaks, twisted pine trees, and seas of clouds. They have inspired countless poets and painters. Hiking here at sunrise is a spiritual experience with views that are truly out of this world. At number 9, we have the ancient city of Pingyao. Surrounded by one of the best preserved city walls in China, walking through Pingyao is like stepping onto a movie set. Traditional courtyard homes, ancient temples, and early banking institutions offer a fascinating glimpse into China's imperial past. Or number 8. Destination takes us to the otherworldly landscape of Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. Does it look familiar? That's because these towering sandstone pillars were the inspiration for the floating Hallelujah Mountains in the movie Avatar. You can take the world's tallest outdoor elevator or walk across a glass bridge for heart-pounding views. Sailing into the number 7 spot is the picturesque Li River in Guilin. The classic way to enjoy its beauty is by taking a bamboo raft or river cruise from Guilin to Yangshu. You'll drift past stunning karst mountains, lush rice paddies, and local fishermen with their cormorant birds. It's pure poetry in motion. At number 6, we explore the modern marvel that is Shanghai. This city is a dazzling blend of East and West, old and new. You can walk along the Bund to admire the colonial-era architecture. Then look across the river to the futuristic skyline of Pudong. Shanghai is a vibrant hub of fashion, food, and culture. We're in the top 5. At number 5, we have Xi'an, the ancient capital of China and the starting point of the Silk Road. The main attraction here is, of course, the Terracotta Army. Seeing thousands of life-size warrior statues standing guard over an emperor's tomb is a mind-blowing experience you'll never forget. Number 4 brings us to the stunning natural beauty of Jichaigu Valley. This nature reserve is a wonderland of multicolored lakes, cascading waterfalls, and snow-capped peaks. The water is so clear you can see the bottom of the lakes, which shimmer in shades of turquoise, green, and blue. It's a true natural masterpiece. Making it into our top 3 is the mystical land of Tibet. Known as the roof of the world, this region offers breathtaking Himalayan landscapes and a rich, unique culture. Visiting the Potala Palace in Lhasa, the former home of the Dalai Lama, and seeing devout pilgrims at ancient monasteries is a deeply moving and unforgettable journey. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Great Wall of China. This is more than just a wall. It's an incredible feat of engineering and a symbol of China's enduring strength. You can hike along various sections, from the beautifully restored parts near Beijing to the wild, unrestored sections. Walking on this ancient wonder is a bucket list experience for any traveler. And finally, our number 1 must-visit destination in China is the imperial heart of the nation, Beijing. As their capital city for centuries, Beijing is packed with history. You can explore the vast Forbidden City, stand in the historic Tiananmen Square, and wander through the charming traditional Hutong alleyways. It's the perfect place to immerse yourself in the grandeur of China's imperial past and its dynamic present. A day. And that's our list of 15 amazing places to visit in China. From natural wonders to ancient treasures and futuristic cities, China truly has something for everyone. What do you think? Did your favorite spot make the list? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Until next time, keep exploring.